So this is the Arduino environment. So Arduino software is free. You can download it. I'm running version 1.8.13, which I think is the latest version. It might be a new latest version by the time you download it. So just download the latest one. And if you go into Tools, there is Manage Libraries. And you can see that this little tool called Library Manager, you have to know the name of the library that you're going to be uploading, and it's called Arduino Sensor Kit. So all you need to do is type in Arduino Sensor Kit _ Sensor Kit. And it pops up. Now, this version is going to default to the latest version, and all you have to do is hit install. Need some other dependencies. Oh, interesting. Okay. So there's going to be some other libraries that we are also going to install, and I'm going to install all of them. So you can see what's happening here. It's going to take a little bit of time. I think I'm going to pause. Oh, it's installed. Okay, good. So that's how you install it. So that's the second step in the tutorial from the Arduino Sensor Kit webpage, getting started. So if you've installed the libraries correctly, you're going to be able to go up to File and look at Examples, and if you scroll down, you're going to be able to see the library that you just installed, which is called Arduino Sensor Kit. And it comes with these demo example files, and you can choose any one of these to start looking at and playing with. And we'll go through this in class in detail. But if you don't see Arduino Sensor Kit, it means that the installation for the library was not successful, and you'll have to redo it or figure out what went wrong. So if you want to open up one of those files and see what's going on inside of that sensor kit, all you do is open it up, and this one is the accelerometer. And I won't go into all the details of how it's all working right now, but you can see that there's a lot of things going on here. The basics are, serial.begin 9600. This is the serial port, the data rate that we're going to be working with. If you remember from last year that Arduino works on two methods. One is the setup, and in setup you declare all the variables that you need to declare, and you begin the serial port running, etc. And then loop is where everything, all the code is included, where it's going to loop through and run in runtime, 60 times a second. It'll be executing the code. So at this point, if you go to examples and you see that the Arduino Sensor Kit is installed, then you're good. So this little tutorial was just to get everything installed, and we'll continue with later tutorials that we'll get into, using the sensors. Okay, so that concludes the first setup tutorial.